Hello and welcome. Welcome back to all my beloved star viewers. How are you guys doing today? I do hope everybody are doing well. And as a reminder, guys, please bear with me during this reading. Again, English is not my primary language. I do hope you understand. And as a reminder again, this is collective and timeless reading. Just take what's yours. If not, then leave the rest to others. All right, thank you guys. This is mixed reading, love, family, friendship, finances. We will find out what is your message here. All right, during this reading, and thank you guys for keep tuning in and welcome back. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I truly appreciate you guys here, and feel free to comment, leave your comment below what you think about this reading, and I'd love to know. Thank you. So, Spirit Angels, how is my collective at this moment? The moon, something is hidden. Okay, and to reverse. Ten of Pentacles, the moon. Somebody here, I don't know, have so much in their plate. You might be devastated or feeling anxious, maybe financially lost. I'm sorry. To some of you here, you might be having trouble about this stability. And it could be people that left you, and yeah, someone might betray you about finances, or a family member might betray you to some of you here. And yeah, and I'm getting like you have been you kept this emotional baggage, you kept this betrayal, especially when it comes to money. You think that it could be very specific here. A family member might cheated on you, or betrayed you, lied at you about money, or another person involved. Like again, guys, you have different story here, and to some of you here tried to move on from the past. Yeah, something about like you kept this for a long time. You might be stalking about this person, a person from the past, or to some of you, you might be struggling about your finances, and you are trying your best to encourage yourself. You could be hold on, like feeling like jealous, very specific here. Not jealous like in a bad way, but it's like, why this person from the past, as an example, guys, why this person from the past, I thought I'd do better from this person, but how come this person became so stable, do better than me? How can I be this person? Maybe you're like watching on social media, or a family member who do better financially, or have a happy family. It's like you are competing, or it doesn't have to be competing, but it's like, yeah, it's like, I'm sorry, guys, or comparing. You might be comparing your life to this person, very specific, or someone's life. To some of you here, a family member or coworker. Yes, and to some of you here might be watching on social media how to do better, how to upgrade your finances. Yes, yeah, something about like maybe this might be you not being honest about your feelings, very specific. It could be a family member or about your finances. Yes, and you might be having this emotionally baggage mentality issues, anxious. There's so much in your head at this moment. Most likely it's about your feelings, your love, your finances, people around you. You have been trying to walk alone. You're feeling betrayed. It could be multiple people, family members betrayed you, doesn't appreciate you. You showed them like you are strong. You showed them that you are stable. You showed them that you already moved on. But still, something hunting you right now, very specific here. To some of you here might be feeling lonely because nobody's talking to you or reach out. Yeah. And to some of you might be thinking about adventure, maybe leaving people behind, or you could be planning on something like moving or relocating. Maybe you might be tired of this life that nothing's changing. Yeah. Again, you might be thinking from the past. To some of you here, people who hurt you, people who betrayed you, and to some of you here might be feeling like you are okay by yourself. You have done a lot. Like you can move forward without these people around you. Toxic people, family member. It's like although you are away from these people who doesn't appreciate you, there's a moment that you might miss them. Or there's a moment you are thinking that, do they miss you? Are they thinking about you? But none of them reach out. Or yeah, or yeah, something about reaching out. Yeah, you feel lonely, you don't show everybody how you feel. Yeah. Sometimes you couldn't avoid reminiscing from the past, thinking about people who you cared too much, who valued too much. But it's just that these people, I guess, they don't really appreciate you. And that's why you choose to move away from these people. You choose to travel away, moving on. Then again, everything from the memory from the past, sometimes it's haunting you, you miss them, or you just keep it. You hid that feelings. Yeah. And to some of you might be not happy about the finances or manifesting. You could be manifesting about your finances, how to grow. And that's why you are eager to do some research, analyzing what you should do, what what would you miss, what is the missing here, how come some people are doing well, do better, or how to be a multimillionaire, something like that. You are aiming about elevating, evolve. Most likely it's about your finances, growth, your family. You might be the one who provide your family. You have so many bills to pay, and it's too much for you to handle, to some of you here. And very specific here, you might not showing your feelings, your problems, worries to your partner, to your friends or relatives. Yeah. Like again, you might be most likely watching on social media, do some research, thinking about the future, how to double your finances. And to some of you might be I don't know, like not happy about your current situation, your work, studies, finances, relationship. You are feeling like you are in control. Somebody's controlling you. Whoever it is, you might. This must be my. I'm sorry. This might be your what you have been thinking, planning to escape about this financially stuck, planning to escape relationship that you're not happy, or work. Like again, there's something about you that wanting to get out from this situation. Yeah, you might be thinking about having a second job, a business, but how? You might be waiting for another signs from the universe. Okay. Spirit guide angels. All right. Yes, you might be worried about how to take care about your children's. If you have a children, how to support them. That might be what you are thinking right now. Supporting the bills, supporting your children, your loved ones. Yeah. That might be your what you are focusing right now is your stability, your financial stability, and how to support uh your loved ones, your family members, your bills. And to some of you, you might be into like separation. You might be separated with your partner, and you might be reminiscing from the past, hoping that your partner wouldn't left you, or maybe this family never broke. It could be financial support from your partner, your ex, hoping that your ex is going to help you about financial support, emotional support when it comes to your children. I'm getting like you might be worrying too much when it comes to your children if you have these kids or a child involved here. Maybe there's like a I don't know, maybe your partner, your current partner, or your past, I'm saying like past person here might not communicating towards your children, and it hurts you. It hurts you to see your children don't have any connection towards you, or something about disconnection about the children. Disconnection about the children, disconnection about the financial support. Yeah. And to some of you might be praying about this reconciliation, that hoping that this thing have it fixed, hoping that the universe will help you about this family to reunite, to be together, to have a happy family, or it could be to meet your soulmate. I'm getting like there is a distance between you and your soulmate, hoping that your soulmate is going to reach out, message you. I'm getting like a past person that you are thinking right now heavily, hoping that this person is going to appreciate you, or giving you gifts, message you, greet you, or never forget you. Like again, guys, we have here mixed message here. This could be family reading, relationship reading, finances, or it could be you. Mental, it's too much right now. It's like a mental issue. It's not like I'm saying like you're crazy. It's just like there's so much, yeah, there's so much in your head right now. You're having hard time to sleep. You're having hard time how to support your family, your finances, your children. It's like there's so many burdens right now. Yeah. So some of you here might be trying to heal from the past. Maybe, let's say, you might be in a relationship right now, but maybe I'm getting like 50-50, might not totally healed from the past. It's like you might be feeling guilt if you are into like a person situation that masking. Let's say you already have a new person right now, and you're trying to give everything to this person, love, support, but then somehow you are still thinking 50% from the other person. It's like it's still holding your back. I don't know. Missing this person. You just want to be happy, to have a happy family. You want to have a beautiful future with your children. But it's just that you have been keeping this from your person. To some of you here, very specific here. Yes, there could be marriage involved here, relationship. You are not truthful to your current person right now because you are still stuck from the past, whoever that you are dealing, the past person. Yeah, maybe you didn't get any support or clarity somehow from the past, and that's why it's still like, haunting you. and hoping that this person is going to reach out or reconnect with you or receive clarity, closure from this person. So that way you will be finally moving on from this heavy burden past, or it could be financially support that you are dealing right now, a support from the past that give, like right now you are dealing from the past, move very specific here, that this person's not supporting your children, your needs, I don't know, your bills. Okay, let's get a message. What is your message? What you need to know? Important message. Spirit guardian just message for my collective. So far, guys, that's the current energy that I am getting right now. I do hope that it resonates you. So we have here healing and new talent. So you guys embrace this. I'm getting like you might be discovering a new talent, a talent to it could be a venture, it could be I don't know, like flower thing, like artistic painting, or something about children might gonna. This is an extra, guys, an extra bonus from the universe to give you another talent. Let's say Christmas is approaching, and you could have a talent, or you could just discover a new talent that you are good at creating a bouquet, you know, a gift, something that kids might like it. So yes, to some of you will discover this new talent that given you by the universe or your ancestors. A new discovery about talent. So embrace this and listen to your intuition, pray, and to some of you are receiving healing from the universe. And if you haven't feel the healing, continue on praying and believe in God. It takes time to some of you here to heal. It could be emotional baggage, physical in pain, physically in pain. I don't know, somehow is you might be dealing about like so much surgery. Like again, you might not notice, but yes, the universe is helping you to heal. Physical healing, emotional healing, financially healing. And you deserve forgiveness. You might done wrong to someone else, very specific. I'm getting like someone here feeling guilt from the past. You need to, you know, for you to keep moving forward, you need to ask forgiveness, apology to the person that you hurt from the past. So that way, your life will keep moving forward, finally healed. And that's why this part is like it's hunting you. Pray and do not ignore the signs from the universe. All right, what else? And especially when it comes to money, if you're having trouble about your finances, yes, there will be an answered prayer to some of you here. Your finances will start growing. It could be it might be slow. Like again, keep studying, keep looking about the future. Stop looking back from the past. You need to start looking for the future. Make a plan. And whatever you do, searching, watching something on social media, or do some Google, like again, more on research. And this will help your finances to grow. You will get an information. So follow your instinct, and it could be the dreams or a vision. Yes, you are getting a sign, an answer from the universe. Release. Yes, letting go, moving on, walking away. It's time to release the pain, the past, emotional baggage. You need to let go. Without letting go this emotional baggage, you will be stuck. Yes, keep moving forward. Focus about your future plans, and try to ignore this past. It doesn't help you. Yeah. You gotta stop thinking about the stress. You need to start thinking about the answer. You need to stop thinking about the problem. You should be thinking about the solve. How to solve this. How to answer this problem. How to solve this situation. So it's time, guys, more about focusing on the answer, not focusing about the problem because it doesn't help you. I hope this answer your problem. Okay. So let's move on what you need to know at this moment. So again, guys, if you keep thinking about from the past, you need to release. Stop thinking, overthinking. It doesn't help you. It's slowing down your finances, your career. It could be about your health. So watch out about your health. Stop thinking about the stress. I'm anxious, worrying so much. You need to stop that. It doesn't help you. You need to think about the positivity, how to increase your finances, how to grow your finances. Yes, do some more research and think about more the future or happy future, happy plans, positivity, and that help you to evolve, that help your finances to increase. And like again, do more research about how to give an answer or how to resolve this problem. All right. So what you need to know at this moment, like again, slow down. It takes time to heal. Do not force yourself to do something that doesn't help you. Especially guys, for those who feel like anxious, thinking, overthinking here, it might give you collapse or you might collapse somehow. Or health problem, health issues. So you need to stop thinking about negativity. Always think about the positive and distract yourself. Yeah, and to some of you might need to share your problems to your loved ones or somebody that you can trust with. Yes, it doesn't help you to keep the all the problems alone. You need somebody. You need to reach out to someone else. You might need to stop this egoistic, the pride. Yeah, at this moment, you need somebody to talk to. You need to reach out. Especially if you have this so much burdens, emotional baggage, worrying about finances. Ask somebody that it could be a licensed doctor or a financial advice that might you need right now to some of you because maybe you couldn't handle the situation alone. Maybe you need somebody to give you advice, an answer for you all about these burdens, problems, financially, I don't know, lost. Yeah, or it could be a doctor. Yeah, psychiatric. I'm getting psychiatric. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. You might need an advice that why people left you, why people just like betrayed you. You might have so much worries or problem at this moment dealing with these people around you. What went wrong? What you have done wrong? Maybe like again, you might not know why these people left you, why people betray you, why people change. You can't keep this alone. I think you need somebody to talk to or open your heart to a new friend, new, it could be relationship. Yeah, I'm getting like you might be afraid to love again because of the trauma you have from the past. And when it comes to your finances, like again, think about the future, another strategy, future plan, or you might need to ask a specialist about finances, financial advisor. So again, don't make hasty decision. Do not rush yourself. What else? It's happening. Whatever you have been waiting, visioning, it's happening. Take good care of your body. Like again, guys, for those who've been worrying too much, overthinking, overworked, you need to take care of yourself. Because right now, You might be dealing so many problems, anxiety, trauma. Whatever you guys feel, it goes to your body. You might not realizing that your body is collapsing soon. Yes, take your vitamins. Make sure you have enough sleep. You need to relax. Love yourself. Yeah, yourself first before anything else. The finances, you can find a way out for that. But when it comes to your body, your health, you should prioritize your health yourself before anything else. All right, yes or no before our reading ends. Ask any question and the answer will be yes or no. Pause the video and the reading will be, we will get the result after this. All right, Spirit Guide Angels, yes or no to my collective. You guys ready? All right, yes or no for my collective. Yes or no for my collective. So we have here curiosity, no. Delayed news, patience needed. Like again, guys, do not be hasty. You need to take, it takes time for this, whatever you have been planning, waiting. Patience needed, ideas, inspiration. Like again, guys, you need more ideas. Do more research to get more inspirational ideas. Or, yes, you know, like, you need to distract yourself about this worrying finances. I don't know, whatever you're worrying right now. Yes, I think you need to distract yourself, like watching TVs or on social media to inspire you. Some kind of like a video that will give you inspiration and ideas. Yes, and be vigilant, protective, guarded, fairness, think before you speak. That could be the reason, guys, to some of you. That's why people left you behind. You might not realizing that you might say something that offended people or hurt. You might kind of person that always I don't know, you always speak the truth to some of you here, very specific. You might speak the truth, but it hurt people here. So yes, you have to be more be careful. Be careful of any words that you just, you just said. I know so many people are too serious about it, and like again, you might be too childish, and you don't think before you speak to some of you. So like again, guys, that could be the answer. That could be the reason why people left you, or very specific, someone left you because you might offended somebody here. So do not get drawn into arguments or mental agility. So yes, you need to stay strong and be brave. Stop thinking about negativity, and keep fighting whatever challenges are coming, approaching, financially, emotional baggage, or people around you. Be vigilant and slow down. You might be feeling alone. You might be fighting alone through this regarding about this finances, support, or yourself. Continue on praying and believe in God, and pay attention to the signs. The universe is sending you a sign here and a gift, especially healing. Yeah, it takes time to heal. And new talent, yes. Maybe it's time to discover a new talent, especially if you are looking forward for another business. Yes. Okay. Regarding about the new business, guys, think about another talent. What is your talent? If you are so talented or like being created, use that talent about this business. It will help you your finances growing. You need to believe in yourself. Do not discourage yourself. Do not let anybody to discourage you. You need to believe in yourself. And yes, I know you are competitive person here. You are truly strong, powerful, confident. Like again, be confident of what you can do, what you can make. Be confident to yourself because you are gifted, you are talented, and embrace this. Like again, transition, there will be changes. This could be part of your changes to some of you here. It's time to change. It's time to evolve or relocate. Yes, do not make any decision that might ruin your finances or family relationship. Yes, you might need another ideas from your partner. It could be partner, relationship, loved ones. Ask any help or ideas, a solution about this problem or your situation right now. Okay, so that's it for today. To all my family here, I love you guys. To all my star viewers, thank you. I do appreciate you all, and please do subscribe. I really appreciate whenever you subscribe. Yes, and thank you for your support, and I see you guys in my next reading.